Hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm. We are not at Mount Pleasant Farm. We are in Jamestown, Tennessee for a hog hunt. I'm in the ground blind right now. It's cold. It's rainy for being September 7th. I'm sorry, not September, April 7th, 2023. It's cold and rainy. I'm in a ground blind, and it's not ideal because I don't have a lot of room in this ground blind for shooting a full-size vertical bow, and I'm worried I'm not going to get Tacticam footage because of the ground blind interference. There's a bunch of stuff out there, there's a bunch of bait, lots of hogs. We already saw some big hogs on the way in to the blind. Carly and Tyler are hunting in different blinds, but we'll see how we do. I was hoping to get Tacticam footage, but I think I'm just going to take my tripod camera and get it set up here on the edge of the blind so I can see something. Anyway, hopefully I'll get some footage, and here comes some hogs now, so I'm going to flip it around here. That's a shooter right there. Got a bunch of other ones behind, but that is a shooter right there. That's a big sow. I need to get loaded up here. Okay, more to come. I'm going to try to get a camera set up quickly. Hopefully that was a good shot. I know it wasn't on the Tacticam, but hopefully that was a good shot. Been hunting for 10 minutes. Seemed like a good shot. I think I see the pig flopping around over there. I think it's dead. Possibly. Okay. I just shot a big gray boar, as you probably saw in the footage. At least I hope you saw in the footage. This is my first hunt ever filming, and I think I got it on camera, which is awesome. I've been here 15 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, maybe 10. Anyway, pouring rain, and as I'm sure you saw from the footage, but that was cool. It was an 18-yard shot. Perfect setup. The only problem is that the Tacticam, where it sits on your stabilizer, I'm sure the footage was all black because the Tacticam sits below the edge of the window for the blind, so I did not get Tacticam footage of the shot. I'm 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure I got footage on this camera, which is fine. At least I got some footage. So that's pretty cool. I think I saw the boar go down, not too far over. Thought I saw some thrashing around. The shot looked close to the shoulder and low, just like it should be on a pig. Did not do a pass-through, of course, because they're so damn tough. But it looked like I got good penetration with the NAP kill zone broadhead, which everything I put that NAP kill zone in has died. And I know people say you can't use a mechanical broadhead on a pig, but with the trophy tip on the NAP kill zone, I think it's going to be okay. So anyway, I just called the outfitter. He's going to come back. He just literally dropped us off. I don't even know if Carly and Tyler are hunting yet, and we're already hopefully going to be picking up a pig for me. So just like I wanted to do, if I killed this pig, we still got a day left. It's time for me to do some relaxing and catch up on some sleep. So at least I'll have time to edit this video. That'll be cool. Anyway, give me a second here, and I'll wait for the outfitter, and I'll try to get some film of us recovering this pig. Well, I guess I'm going to be sitting here for a few. I shot that boar at 10:41, and you know, the way the instructions go is, hey, if you shoot a pig, go ahead and text me the guide so I can come back and get you and get that pig out of there. Well, I'm down in this hole. There's no cell service down here, so I can't talk to my wife or the stepson or anybody else to say, hey, I got a pig, you guys can come get me. So I guess when they start to worry about me, they'll come looking for me, because the instructions are not to leave the blind until you call somebody. No pigs have been back since I shot that boar. It was with a sounder of at least 20 pigs. Anyway, I guess I'll just sit and relax and enjoy the time, take a nap, and someone will come get me eventually. More to come. All right, so go try to recover this hog. So what I saw, he was right here at the edge of the pile. He was with about 20. You see this little angled stick right here going down? So he was facing this way, slightly quartering away, put it right behind the shoulder, further than halfway down. Looked like a good shot. My luminoc is lit as well. And I thought about 10 seconds after shooting that I saw something flopping over there. Okay. So we'll see. It was right so in.
He took off the arrow.
Yeah, took off the arrow straight over in here. But I can't be 100% sure.
What color is your luminoc?
Green. And it was lit. I could have swore I saw something, you know, kicking. Any word from Carly yet?
Nah, I've not got nothing from her.
She may not have any service either. Well, here we go. Found this pig here. We got Wilbur. Good shot, quartering away. Right there. I would consider that a tad high for a pig, but obviously it worked just fine because that pig is dead as they come. So, looks good to me. Good size. That's probably, I would say, 150 to 200. I can't tell. Maybe we'll see better, get a better idea. I'm no pig expert, but that looks good to me. I'm happy with it. And that pig basically circled around, and because right over there, let's give you some perspective here. I'm this far down here from this. There's a blind way down there, and there's the bait, and that pig was there and ran up that way, and you'll see the video. You already seen the video, and came around here. I didn't even see it come back out, and it's been laying here the entire time. Of course, you're supposed to stay in there, so. There's a big black one in there too. Is that it? Good shot. Perfect shot. Perfect shot. No. Perfect shot. I'm watching. No. No, they're out of sight. Look at that pig. There's Carly. Back out a little bit. Let me unzoom. Let me zoom out. That's a big smile from a girl to shot it. Probably a 300 to 400 pound pig. Okay, stopping this video. All right, Carly shot a bigger pig than anybody. Gonna start tracking right now. Some good blood there. Got good blood coming all along here. Great blood here. We're moving. I think this will be easy. That was a big pig.
No, not just the whole thing. You ain't got no wire yet.
A piece of meat. Look at that. No, it's just.
Did she stay up the road?
Should I bring my bow?
Yeah, probably wouldn't be a bad idea to have it just in case.
As far as I could tell, as long as I could see the pig, it stayed on the road. Now, where's that blood? Last blood's right there.
Right here.
Okay, mark that. Keep kind of hold that spot for a second. See if we can find some more. Yeah, we got more right here. Oh, there it is. Yep. Sure enough. Just turn the other way. There's a big old pig over there. It's a big one too, man. You can see from here, I'm sure. It's way bigger than mine or Tyler's.
There's blood down there.
Go up there, babe. Yeah, there's blood everywhere. It's a great shot.
Oh, look at this.
That's a hell of a blood trail.
That's a pig.
Yeah, it is. That's a pig. It looks like it's straight out of the barnyard.
Oh, it laid down here and then moved.
Yep. Good hog.
Yeah, that is a.
Good fat.
That's the one that tried coming in too.
She's got some cutters for sale.
Oh, sure does.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
She tried coming in with us.
She tried getting to stand with you, huh?
Just about. There they go, off to the butcher. What a great hunt. And that's where you're gonna go, right there. Jackson, what's this place? What town?
Jamestown, Tennessee.
Jamestown, Tennessee. There's your number there, 931-863-HUNT.